I am Kaustubh Atre. I am founder director of Ambitions Commerce Institute Private Limited, Pune. I have been teaching for last 28 years. This is my 29th year of teaching, and I have been teaching commerce as well as language. We teach through Ambitions Commerce Institute. It is working since 2001. Till now, we never faced any problem for admissions. With God's grace, every year students used to flock in and admissions used to happen. But due to pandemic, the problem started. The first problem was everything became online. Even inquiries, admissions, all process is online, and therefore there was no human touch. And because of this, we started facing problems of how many admissions are being taken care of, what is happening after people call us, and we could never understand the ratio between inquiry and conversion in admissions. So these were the main problems that we faced. Good system in this extra age CRM software is that there is a close check on everybody's performance. So obviously there is bound to be resistance to change, but nobody was resistant to an extent. Everybody is working towards betterment of the process of admissions. So my employees, they were ready to take this in a positive way. So nobody opposed me for introducing this system. But everybody is habituated to automatic admissions, and suddenly the pattern is changed now. And change means we have to call people, we have to give information about the institution, ask them about why they are not taking admission or when they will take admission. The whole process changed completely. Earlier everything was happening smoothly. Now we have to work proactively. So there is a change. I'm benefited 100% by this CRM. Why I'm saying so? Because last year in March we started the lockdown, and from that lockdown in March till 1st of June, during lockdown, I was the only one who was handling each and every inquiry, each and every admissions, which became very, very, very difficult for me. Exactly after 1 year, again we had the same lockdown in the month of March. And this time, from March till now, I have handled, means personally, I have handled hardly a few admissions, but otherwise everything is being done by this CRM through my counselors. So I am relieved of this work. I can focus more on preparation of notes, making the questionnaires, preparing extra problems to solve for my students. So I can focus on academics more. So I can say this CRM has helped me to 100% extent. Team is extremely efficient, and Mr. Abbas, he helped us. He came down, he gave training to all the counselors, and he again after a few days took a review whether anybody is facing any problem. So your team is working very well. All the admissions, you can see all the admissions, means you can see all the people who have called, the inventory of admissions, leads, you can say. Then what action is being taken on each person, each lead, that is visible. Means see, it's simple. In simple words, now we have a diary. We have a diary, a digital diary of every admission that takes place. Just like we use pocket diary for all our office related work, this is a digital diary of admissions. So all the processes, all the activities that are supposed to happen for admission are very much visible and clear up to what stage we have come. And since we have three coordinators or 3 counselors here. Everybody can take care of other person's job that they have done, and after that it can be continued by other counselors. This is very easy because of your software. I will recommend this CRM to my colleagues, to the people who are in the same line or in any line where they want to have transparency in admissions.